So hello students, let's solve the question number 11, right? So which says that fx is equal to, I'm writing this fx, if x is equal to x plus 3 into e to the power minus x, right students? So they are saying that this is an increase, this is increasing in x for all x, this is decreasing in x for all x, it is decreasing in minus infinity minus 2 open and increasing in minus 2 to infinity open, and increasing in minus 2 in minus infinity minus 2 and decreasing in 2 in infinity. So we need to see where the function is increasing and decreasing. We know that a function is increasing if and only if is f dash x is greater or equal to 0, and decreasing if and only if is f dash x is less or equal to 0, right? So first of all, let us find the derivative of fx. So I am going to find the derivative of fx. So it is f dash x. So we need to use the formula of uv derivation. So it will be x plus 3 into derivative of e to the power minus x. So minus x into minus, right? Plus then we need to see the derivative of this term. So it will be e to the power minus x, right? So this is the derivative of f dash x. So I am writing this, taking e to the power minus x common, so I can write it 1 minus x minus 3. So it will be e to the power minus x into 2 minus x, right students? So sorry, minus 2 minus x, right students? So this is the derivative of f dash x. So now f dash x greater or equal to 0, it will imply e to the power minus x into minus 2 minus x greater or equal to 0, right? Now we know that e to the power minus x is always greater or equal to 0. So this product is greater or equal to 0 if this term is greater or equal to 0. More precisely, e to the power minus x is greater than 0 for any x, right? For any real number x. So I can say this term is positive. So the product is positive if this term is also non-negative. So minus 2 minus x greater or equal to 0. So the value of x minus 2 greater or equal to x. So the value of x is decreasing. So when the value of x is less or equal to minus 2, so it is a increasing function, right? So it is increasing function. F dash x greater or equal to 0, so minus 2 minus x, yeah. So it is increasing when the value of x less or equal to 2, and decreasing when f dash x is less or equal to 0. So I am writing this now, f dash x is less or equal to 0, so minus 2 minus x less or equal to 0, so imply minus 2 less or equal to x. So when the value of x greater or equal to minus 2, so it becomes decreasing function. Now observe that there is equality. So when f dash x is equal to 0, we know that that point is a stationary point, okay, where the value of x either maximum or minimum. So we are eliminating that equality. So the function is decreasing when minus 2 strictly less than x, and increasing when minus 2 greater than x. So it will imply minus 2 less x less infinity, and it will imply minus 2 greater x greater minus infinity. So it is decreasing in this interval. So I can say that it is decreasing on minus 2 to infinite, and it is increasing on minus infinite to 2. In this range it is increasing, in this range it is increasing, in this range it is decreasing. So minus 2 to infinite it is decreasing. So let us see the options. So it is decreasing on this interval and increasing on this interval. So option D is our correct option, right students? So minus 2 to minus infinite to minus 2, infinite to minus 2, it is increasing on this range, so and decreasing on minus 2 to infinite. So this is option D is our correct option, right students? So we have solved it. It was an easy question. Let's solve the next question.